Hey, what's up, Bobcats? In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 reasons to get a motorcycle. Number 5, you join a new family. There's not many motorcyclists out there, so when you get one, you join a new family. Motorcyclists are always happy to meet another motorcyclist. When they find out you're a new rider, they're pretty stoked. Number 4, you don't need to take it to a smog shop. I was pretty stoked when I found out about this one. Technically, you are required to pass smog, but not many smog shops are set up to test motorcycles. That's why you see motorcycles out there are heavily modified with straight pipes. Number 3, it's a memorable event in your life. Much like taking your first steps or learning how to ride a bike, it's a memorable event. Taking your first MSF course, getting your license, passing the test, that's all something you will always remember. And that's pretty special in my opinion. Number 2, new skills are satisfying. When you learn new skills, it's satisfying, right? Like when you first learn how to weld, or learning a new trick on a skateboard, etc. It's satisfying. And finally, number 1, and of course, I had to make this number 1, it's fun therapy. Riding a motorcycle is therapy. And I know that's sort of a cliche, but trust me, it's freaking true. Before getting a motorcycle, I used to just go to clubs, drink beer, go to a rave, all that shit. But ever since I got a motorcycle, nothing puts me into a sane state as much as riding. It's fun and it's therapy.